Okay friends, today's topic is possessive case of noun. In my last lecture, I have explained you noun and the case. We have learned how many cases are in the noun. First one is nominative, second one is objective case, third one is possessive, and fourth one was vocative case. We have learnt in my last lecture all these things, but I thought that the possessive case of noun is very important and students generally make mistakes using this case as a noun. So I have thought I must make another video on this topic, so I made. Okay, today we will learn here how to use possessive case of noun. As I have explained it before in a brief manner, but today we will discuss in detail what are the possessive case. Basically, possessives are used in two situations. If our component is living things, then we use apostrophe with s and apostrophe without s. This apostrophe is used to make the possessive case of noun. What this possessive or the apostrophe explained us, generally the sentence shows the possession or relation, means a noun shows possession or relation in sentence with other words. This is called possessive case of noun. Suppose Ram's book. Here we are talking about a book that is an object and Ram has its possession. Ram जो है ये उसकी बुक है. ओके, सो इस पूरे सेंटेंस का मतलब निकलेगा राम की बुक, है ना. तो ऐसे सेंटेंस जिनमें हम जनरली, है ना, क्या बताते हैं, पोजेशन शो करते हैं, रिलेशन बताते हैं. इट मीन्स दैट दीज आर कॉल्ड पोजेसिव केस ऑफ नाउन. So here is Ram's book, Ram ki book. We are using apostrophe. Ram is a singular, then we are using here apostrophe with s. Okay, if this is a plural noun, then we will use here this apostrophe without s. Okay, so another example is Mohan's house. Here we are talking about a house whose owner is Mohan. It means that Mohan's house, Mohan ka ghar. Okay, so these were the examples where we have used here apostrophe with s, and we will use some other examples for this case of apostrophe. Suppose here are boys. Boys is a plural word and it has last word s. This word is ending with s. So the words or the noun, they are ending with s or they are plural, then we will use this case of apostrophe, means boyses. Suppose we are writing example here, boys hostel. It means that we are talking about a hostel in which boys are living and there are too many persons, there are more objects in number, है ना. तो ऐसे component की बात कर रहे हैं जहाँ पर बहुत सारे numbers होंगे, then we will use this apostrophe in the last of the noun, or we will use here if a word ending with s later, then we will use this apostrophe to make possessive case of noun. Okay, another example, girls common room. Here we are also talking about a room that is belongs to girls and girls are more in numbers, so we will use here this girls and apostrophe without s. So friends, we have understood here how to make possessive case of noun in the case of living things. Now we will discuss about the case, how to use this possessive case in situation of non-living objects if we are using that object or component in our sentence. Okay, in such situation we use of preposition to make our sentence. Suppose we are using example, the flowers of spring. We are talking about the flowers, they blossom in the season of spring. Okay, yes, the flowers of spring. So here is, we are talking about non-living things, then we use of to make possessive form of noun. Another example, the legs of table. Okay, so here we are talking about the legs of table. Here we also use this of to make the possessive case of noun. So friends, we have explained here, we have learned here how can we make possessive case of noun. What possessive case shows us? Possessive case generally tells us that the relation or the possession of any word or sentence with another word or sentence or phrase. Okay, here there are two sentences to express the situation. How can we use the possessive case of noun? There are so many sentences we can make by using this concept here. Okay, so now I am taking further step here. So we have learned that how to make possessive case of noun by using apostrophe and using of preposition. Friends, I have told you the possessive case used in the case of living and non-living things, but now I want to tell you this rule violates sometime, because English is a practical language. I have explained it before, but there are some special cases in which of is used in living things and apostrophe used in non-living things. Okay, it happens, but most of the cases we use apostrophe with living things and of preposition with non-living things. Now we will discuss here how to use apostrophe or this possessive case to make sentence if we are using compound noun in our sentence. Okay, in the case of compound noun or any sentence in which we are using noun and connecting with and compound noun. So there are two cases. And okay, I am writing here Mr. Lal and Son's house. It means that we are showing the possession of Mr. Lal and his sons with house. So we are using possessive with the last noun. Okay. Second, Mohan and Sohan's property. We are talking about the property that belongs with Mohan and Sohan. It is a joint possession for Mohan and Sohan. It means that we are talking about a property that belongs to Mohan and Sohan both. Here we can say that it shows that the joint possession of Mohan and Sohan on a property. Here shows the joint possession of Mr. Lal and his son on house. ओके तो ये आपको बताएगा कि किस तरीके से हम जॉइंट पोजीशन की बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर. एंड वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट कंपाउंड नाउन. यस, कंपाउंड नाउन like father-in-law. If we are talking about compound noun, father in-laws house is not grand. It means that we are talking father-in-law's house is not grand, मतलब उनका घर बहुत बड़ा नहीं है. Okay, so here is a compound noun and we have to use apostrophe at the last of this noun, है ना. इस तरीके से by using this process, by using this procedure, we will make possessive form of noun. Okay, so okay, another example I will give you, then we will understand this concept better. Step mother's building okay, if we are talking about a building, that building belongs to step mothers. Okay, so we will use again apostrophe at the last of this word, so this will shows joint this will shows the possession of noun stepmother with building. Okay, so students or my friends, we have learned here how to show the possessive case of noun if we are connecting two noun with and, or we are using compound noun. Okay, now we will study some special situation if we shows the separate possession. Here we have learned that how to show the joint possession. Suppose Sohan and Mohan house. Here I did not use possessive case of noun. Now I will put here. If we want to show the joint possession, we will use Sohan and Mohan's house. ये बताता है कि सोहन और मोहन दोनों का घर है. Okay, if we want to express separate possession, then we will use Sohan's and Mohan's house. It means that a house is not both of Sohan and Mohan. Sohan has his separate house and Mohan has his separate house. Okay, this shows separate possession of noun. Okay, and in the case of possessive noun, yes. Now we will also study here how can we compare the things, how can we compare noun in the case of possessive. Okay, suppose I am writing an example here. Mohan sister is as beautiful as Sohan's. Okay, what is the case here? I have written here Mohan's sister means Mohan ki sister. Mohan's sister is as beautiful as Sohan's. It shows that if we are using possessive case of noun, in such situation, if there is a comparison, this is positive form of adjective. Okay, here we are comparing two components or two persons. Okay, Mohan's sister, it means that Mohan की sister is as beautiful as, उतनी सुंदर है जितनी सोहन की sister है. If we remove this apostrophe, this sentence will be wrong and it will show some different kind of meaning. Okay, what meaning? It shows here Mohan's sister is as beautiful as Sohan. मतलब मोहन की sister उतनी सुंदर है जितना सोहन. So this is a wrong, है ना. Now if we are using apostrophe here to compare the things, we will use possessive form of noun before using this adjective, before the use of this adjective and after adjective. Okay, so this is the possessive form of noun. Another thing, the climate of Kashmir is better than that of Delhi. Okay, it shows that there are two cases of possessive form of noun. Here we are using this possessive case and here we are also using possessive case. Here there is comparison about the climate of Kashmir and climate of Delhi. So in such situation we used possessive case of noun before, than and after than, because it shows the correct meaning. Otherwise the meaning will be futile, as I have explained in sentence Mohan's sister is as beautiful as Sohan's. Okay, so we will discuss here the climate of Kashmir is better than that of Delhi. It means that the climate of Kashmir, कश्मीर का जो climate है वो दिल्ली के climate से better है. Okay, suppose I am removing this because students basically makes mistake here. The climate of Kashmir is better than Delhi. What is the mean? कश्मीर का जो climate है वो दिल्ली से अच्छा है. Okay, so there is a wrong kind of comparison. Comparison should be in equal quantity or in equal things. Okay, here we are comparing about the climate of Kashmir and here we are writing about Delhi. There is no climate. Okay, if we want to correct this sentence, we have to write here better than that of Delhi. Okay, so the correct one is this sentence, the climate of Kashmir is better than the climate of Delhi. Okay, yes. So students, today we have learned that how to use possessive case of noun in a correct way. In the last, I summarize here, in the possessive case of noun, basically we use apostrophe and of to make the sentence in possessive form. Okay, so I hope so you have learned something by my lecture. Today I have delivered it to you. Okay, if you like this video, please share it so that your dear ones also may get benefited from my lecture. Okay, thank you so much.